Imagine this. You close your eyes for the last time, but instead of fading into nothing, your consciousness wakes up, inside a computer. You're still you, with your memories and your thoughts, but now you exist entirely as data. Sounds like science fiction, right? But today I want to dig into the real science and the real ethics behind digital consciousness uploads. Is it possible? And if it is, should we do it? Let's start with the science. The basic idea is to scan your brain, every neuron, every connection, so precisely that a computer can simulate it all. In theory, run that simulation, and you've got a digital copy of your mind. Scientists call this whole brain emulation, but there's a catch, and it's a big one. The human brain is the most complex thing we know. You've got about 86 billion neurons, with trillions of connections. Mapping all of that down to the tiniest detail is an enormous challenge. Right now, the closest we've come is scanning the brain of a tiny worm, a nematode with just 302 neurons, and even that took years. So, uploading a human mind? We're a long way off. But let's say, for argument's sake, that we solve the technical problems. The next question is, if you upload your mind, is it really you? Or is it just a copy, a digital double, while the original you is left behind? Some philosophers say consciousness is all about patterns of information, so if the pattern's the same, so is the self. Others argue that there's something special about biological brains, something that can't be copied. And here's where things get really interesting. If you could live forever as data, would you want to? In a virtual world, you could travel anywhere in an instant, change your appearance, maybe even merge your mind with others. But what about privacy? Security? If someone hacks your digital mind, what then? There's also the question of inequality. If uploading your consciousness is expensive, does that mean only the rich get to live forever? And what happens to our sense of identity and humanity when the line between human and machine disappears? And let's not forget, even if you could upload your mind, you're still dependent on hardware, servers, storage, electricity. If those go down, so do you. Is that really immortality, or just a different kind of fragility? So, will we ever upload our minds and live forever as data? The science isn't there yet, and the ethics are more complicated than they seem. But even asking these questions pushes us to think about what it means to be human, what we value, and how far we're willing to go in our search for immortality. Thanks for watching. If this got you thinking, drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you upload your mind if you could? Or is there something about being human that no machine can ever capture? Catch you next time.